Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. Alright, so we got our next projects. This one right here has already been modified. It's got a whole audio system in it. This one has not been modified. Actually super clean, brand new. This one's way newer and not been touched. This one has been touched, but it's a mess. And when I mean mess, you haven't even seen underneath the engine. Alright, so we have all of our wiring ran over to here when we build our custom kick panels. We've ran all of our wiring up here. Sorry about my zip ties, I'll get ready to cut those off. We ran all of our wiring in here for our custom waterfall that we're going to be making. So all the wiring is ran over to there. I'll be cutting the zip ties off once I figure out exactly what we're doing. We're also going to be doing there's the box. Gonna be doing an extra battery down there. We're running all this wiring into here, running it down there. We put it coming out of there, and then all of our excess wire is going to be cut down when we put our amps and everything down there. So all of our wiring is almost pretty much complete in the back for speaker wire. Now we're going to take the head unit out and start on that. So we figured out the way to lift up to get this radio out is you pull up on this. It's a little bit tough when you first pull up, but you pull up and then that's how you get to that screw right there. But those are what the clips look like underneath it. It has clips that just snap right down, but that's how you get this off to be able to get the radio out. Alright, and now we're taking this piece up here, just snaps it up, and then right underneath here we're going to remove this one piece right here that pops up. We're going to do the same on this side. We're going to pull straight up on this, and then right up here there is another snap piece we're going to take out, and then this whole piece will just pop right off just like the other side is. The other side already came off. Now we're going to remove both of these Torx right here. Remove this radio bezel. These Torx are a T10, just to let you guys know they're extremely small. I thought these were Torx at first, but they're actually a 5/64 Allen key. Kind of weird that they put that in here, but that's what they are. You could use the 5/64, but I would think the 2 is going to be better. Metric is going to be much better, so definitely use the 2 in metric on Allen key head. Now this radio bezel just comes right off. So we're going to set that over here, and we're going to go ahead and take this radio out. fiberglass underneath this Bondo and just laying a thin layer of Bondo over there just to be able to smooth it out.